Mornings. Life. Let's get this pickle rolling!
Hey guys, today's a very special day. Today, it's Michael's birthday. So, we're gonna wake him up, we're gonna record some stuff with you throughout the day. And I'm speaking very quietly because it's like 6 in the morning right now. So, let's go wake him up. Michael, somebody's 11. You don't care. Happy birthday.
Hi, I'm not your average pickle Michael. I have turned 11 and I'm expecting my letter today. So we are at Keystone National Park.
Or Keystone Heritage.
Keystone Heritage National Park.
It's not a national park.
Well, so I'm gonna show you some of the things that I think look cool. Just because.
Woot!
First and foremost, there are these water bugs in the water. So I don't know if you can see them. They're like the little dots that are zooming around in the water. And those are the water bugs. Some of them are a type of water strider, and then the other ones are just completely underwater. Also, another little thing, the path is flooded. So, I know. Oh yeah, what's that?
Looks like there's a tiny web inside. Is there a spider? Fun fact. These are salty.
Tasted them? Oh yeah, they are salty. Tastes familiar, I don't know why.
Maybe like salt?
No, it's the aftertaste. So, yeah, we just keep walking until I find. Oh, actually, yeah, this is the spot. You see those plants? You see them just growing in the water? Those are actually ice plants growing underwater.
There's some closer to the shore if you want to show them.
Oh yeah, there are some closer to the shore. So like right there.
You want to tell them about ice plants?
So ice plants are succulents, which means they only water like once every 2 weeks. But like once you see them start changing color like these ones, then they need water. So I think to get all the water that they need, they have started to grow underwater. So that way, they don't run out of water, and then they can just live until we die, and then new parts of them just get drifted away and then turn into a new spot, which will make new ice plants. So we found rabbit's cat.
For those of you who don't know, that's poop.
And we also found some trails.
Some tracks.
Which go in a trail. Well, where they go, we do not know.
Any idea on what kind of tracks these are?
Leave it in the comments below. Check it out.
Help us figure it out.
I don't know if you see it, but that's a cricket right there. It's a cricket on the bridge, and I'm going to try and catch it.
That was a grasshopper, not a cricket. And just like that, it changed species. So we've reached the end of our trail again, but there you can see some ducks, and apparently there are catfish out. And more little minnows. Hopefully we can show them to you guys. That sounds really close. found some water striders for you guys. See if we can get them to stride. Oh, there they go. There's a whole bunch of those little specks. And then the wetland goes out. And we're gonna start, bless you,
Thank you.
walking towards some ducks. So maybe you guys can get a better peek at those. You see the ducks, Michael? I think they're more loons than ducks. Bless you! So what kind of plants are in there, Michael? Something we've never seen before?
Well, I haven't seen one of these, but these are really
And water lilies.
The leaves and there's even minnow in the water.
You can actually see the minnows in there. See if I get closer, they might get scared and there you go. Little tiny fish.
Michael, ready?
Take a bite of your
Take a bite, Michael. Take a bite. What house?
Which house is it? Michael's my Hufflepuff, just like you.
Okay, hold up, guys. There's actually more.
Yes. We are going to have a second video where we will be playing Let's Go Pikachu.
So subscribe, hit the bell, hit the notification, just to be sure, because it'll be coming out soon. We're working on it right now.